In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the price font size on a Shopify product page. Whether you've started your online store or you're looking to make some tweaks to enhance the overall customer experience, adjusting the font size for your product prices can make a significant difference in readability and emphasis. Remember, clear presentation is key in helping customers make purchasing decisions. Let's dive right in. First, we need to access the theme editor. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, head over to the online store section and you'll see Themes. Here, you'll need to locate the specific theme you're using for your store. Click on Actions and choose Edit Code from the drop-down menu. This will take you into the back end of your theme where all the magic happens. Next, it's time to locate the CSS file. In the left-hand navigation, you should see an Assets folder. Click to expand this folder, and within it, you'll find several files that are responsible for the styles on your page. You're looking for a file that typically names itself something like theme.css, base, CSS, or something similar. Once you find it, open it up. Now comes the fun part, adding the CSS code. Scroll down to the end of your CSS file, and here, you're going to paste a little snippet of CSS code designed to target the price element specifically. It looks something like this. Product single latch price, font size 24px. This line of code changes the font size to 24 pixels, but you can adjust this value to whatever suits your design needs. Maybe you want it slightly larger or smaller. Feel free to tweak it. In addition to font size, you might also want to customize font weight, color, or other styling properties to match your brand's aesthetic. Play around with these options until you're happy with the look. Once you've made these changes, don't forget to click the Save button to make sure everything gets applied. You don't want to miss this step, as none of your hard work will reflect on your store if you don't save. After everything is saved, it's essential to preview your changes. Head back to your Shopify admin and preview your theme. This way, you can see the updated price font size on the product page and ensure it looks exactly as you envisioned. Now, a couple of important considerations before we wrap up. Depending on your specific Shopify theme, the CSS selector for the price element might differ. It could be beneficial to inspect your product page using your browser's developer tools to ensure you have the exact class or ID. Additionally, some themes have built-in settings for adding custom CSS, which might be more user-friendly if you're not comfortable editing the core style files directly. Lastly, remember that desktop and mobile user experiences can differ significantly. Consider using media queries to adjust the font size for various screen sizes, ensuring that your product page is visually appealing across all devices. And there you have it, a straightforward way to make your product prices more prominent and captivating. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to give it a try on your Shopify store today.